Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Kettleman Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to place a text in any shape in Photoshop. So let's begin. First of all, go to File, New, 5x7 is okay, so click on Create to create a new document. You can hit U or go to this icon to select a shape of your choice, so I prefer the ellipse tool. So now we have to import an image into Photoshop, so I'll go for an image of my choice, so I'll pick this image. After selecting your image, make sure to hold the Alt option in between the shape and the image layer. Click on it and your image enters the shape. Or you can also right click and go to create clipping mask and it will enter perfectly. You can press Ctrl T to transform the image into the shape. So this is so perfect. So this is how we do it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you and see you next time in the next tutorial. Have a nice day. Bye.